legendary Matilda Chocolate Cake. My name is Sandra and I'm a professional pastry chef. Welcome to my channel where I share my interpretation of famous desserts as well as my own recipes. This Matilda cake is slightly different from the original and I dare say, better. Instead of traditional ganache between cake layers, I chose fudge frosting that has no cream, therefore your cake can stay out of the fridge for you to enjoy it soft and shiny. Let's begin! Starting with a cake, it's a very fuss-free recipe really. For my fats, I use 50-50 softened butter and any vegetable oil, followed by white sugar and vanilla. Cream those ingredients on medium speed of a stand mixer or hand mixer. This cake may be done completely by hand if you substitute half butter for oil. Combine your dry ingredients together, which are cocoa powder, flour, baking powder and soda, some salt. When creamy and light, add warm eggs, and now alternate dry mix and milk to make smooth and lump-free batter. As always, you can find all the ingredients and measurements right under the video. It's usually advised to use a kitchen scale for precision in baking. When all combined, brew a cup of black coffee. Strength is up to you. Pour that in, a quick stir, and when well mixed, we are ready to bake. I want my cake to have 3 layers, so to avoid future slicing, I bake them in separate pans, dividing batter on scale. Place cakes into the oven preheated to 340 Fahrenheit or 170 Celsius for 25 minutes if baking 3 separate cakes. Increase baking time by 10 to 5 minutes if making 2 layers only. Check with a toothpick. As you see, they bake out perfectly, there is no elevation in the center, you don't need to cut anything off. Let your cakes cool down completely. We have some more work to do in the meantime. Fudge frosting, again, no mixer and no cream. Everything is hand mixed. Grab a saucepan and mix sugar, butter, some milk, and a pinch of salt. Bring this mix to active boiling and then pour over dark chocolate. Go for semi-sweet if you're not a fan of dark chocolate flavor, though milk and sugar significantly mellow it down. I love chocolate cake so much, that's my favorite cake flavor, so I have quite a few other chocolate recipes that you can find on my channel. All the links are in the description too. Look at this shiny, silky fudge. Cool it down for about half an hour in the fridge, stir in occasionally, or even leave at room temperature for about an hour or until desired consistency. Spread about a quarter of all of your fudge on each layer in between and the rest on top and the sides. If the layers happen to slide on you, let the cake stand at room temperature for the middle part to set, even faster to do so in the fridge. Then cover the sides and top and create the pattern of your choice. The best thing about Matilda cake is that you can slice and eat it immediately. It's incredibly soft, definitely will melt on your tongue. Tips for storage now. Store the cake under a cover or in a container at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. If you wish for your cake to last longer, store it in the fridge for up to 5 days and for up to 3 months in the freezer, sliced and tightly plastic wrapped. That's what I do when I have too many slices and not too many people to feed them to. After thawing, the cake stays incredibly moist and rich as a celebration in your mouth. 100% recommend making Matilda cake with no cream. Enjoy and thank you for watching!